Kalidasa, the greatest poet-dramatist of classical Sanskrit. A name that conjures romance, nature, and royal grandeur. Today we explore the life, works, and enduring legacy of the man who shaped India's literary imagination. Who was Kalidasa? The precise details of his life are shrouded in legend. Most scholars place him between the 4th and 5th centuries, CE, during the Gupta Age, often called India's Golden Age. Many stories portray him as a simple, unlettered man transformed into a genius by divine grace. But what truly survives is his remarkable body of work. Lyrical poems and dramatic masterpieces that balance classical form with vivid, universal emotion. His most famous play is Abhijnana Shakuntalam, or The Recognition of Shakuntala. It tells the beautiful and poignant love story of King Dushyanta and the forest-dwelling Shakuntala. It's a drama of longing, memory, and eventual reunion, celebrated for its delicate characterizations and a powerful central scene where a lost ring becomes the key to restoring lost memories. This play not only defined Indian theater for centuries, but also captivated European literature after 18th century. Translations introduced it to the West, earning praise from figures like Goethe. Then there is Kalidasa's Meghaduta, or The Cloud Messenger, one of the most exquisite examples of lyrical poetry ever written. In it, an exiled celestial being, a yaksha, sees a passing cloud and asks it to carry a message of love to his distant wife. The poem becomes a breathtaking journey across ancient India, a travelogue guided by the cloud's path, overflowing with stunning images of nature, deep sorrow, and the most tender longing. It was so innovative that it established an entirely new genre in Sanskrit literature, the messenger poem. For epic grandness, we turn to Raghuvaṃśa and Kumārasaṃbhava. Raghuvaṃśa traces the lineage of the heroic Raghu dynasty, the ancestors of Lord Rama, combining thrilling episodes with profound moral reflections on duty and kingship. Kumārasaṃbhava recounts the divine love story of Shiva and Parvati, leading to the birth of their son Kartikeya. It's noted for its sensuous, richly textured depiction of romance and divine union. In these epics, Kalidasa blends an elevated vocabulary with fluid musical meters, creating a perfect balance between classical learning and raw natural emotion. So, what truly defines Kalidasa's unique style? 3 qualities stand out. First, his unparalleled use of imagery. His metaphors and similes, known as upama, can convert the most ordinary scenes into luminous, unforgettable moments. He doesn't just describe a flower, he makes you feel its very essence. Second is his mastery of rasa, the aesthetic flavor or emotion. He masterfully evokes powerful feelings in his audience, particularly jaro, the mood of romantic love, and karuna, the mood of compassion or sorrow. And third is his incredible economy and clarity. Despite using ornate language, his verses remain direct, musical, and accessible, allowing readers and listeners to connect with the emotions immediately. Kalidasa's influence is truly immense. For centuries, his works were the ultimate models of literary excellence in Sanskrit education and performance. He shaped aesthetics not just in India, but across South and Southeast Asia, inspiring countless poets, playwrights, painters, and dancers. During the colonial era, his works became powerful symbols of classical Indian culture, admired by both Indian reformers seeking to revive their heritage and Western scholars discovering the richness of India's literary tradition. This global appreciation continues to grow to this day. Even now, Kalidasa's works are constantly being adapted and reimagined. You can find them on stage, in films, as ballets, and in contemporary plays around the world. His keen eye for the subtleties of human feeling and the ever-changing moods of nature makes his verses persistently relevant. Whether you read him in the original Sanskrit, in English, or in any other language, the emotional core of his stories survives. The universal themes of longing, beauty, duty, and reconciliation. In closing, Kalidasa is more than just a historical figure. He is a timeless voice that taught generations how to see the world with a poet's eye, how to find profound meaning in a passing monsoon cloud, a lover's glance or a king's regret, and transform them into something beautiful and universal. If you've never had the chance to read him, I highly recommend starting with Abhijnana Shakuntalam for its drama, Meghaduta for its pure lyricism, and Raghuvaṃśa for its epic sweep. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more explorations into literature and culture. Comment below with your favorite Kalidasa line or let us know which of his works you want us to explore next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.